Hey folks, Adam here, and we're looking at this. It's MIKOLO's Fitness M4 2.0. It's the Ultra Smith machine. Now this thing is absolutely impressive with a 2,200 pound weight capacity. This is the ultimate workout machine that doesn't take up a lot of space in your garage or in your home gym, but boy, you're gonna be able to do everything from arm curls to rows to pull-ups to squats. You can go ahead and do bench press, incline, decline, and a whole lot more. Let's go ahead and check out this fantastic device that's going to revolutionize the way you work out. Let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. Now folks, one of the things that I truly fear is that we're not going to be able to show you everything that this machine does. Now it has a really impressive dual independent pulley cable system. So you can work out one side of your body or the other. And there's a lot that you can do with this cable system, which includes complete adjustment from floor all the way up. And then with a very short variation, you can adjust this to the perfect height for you. With a sturdy pulley system that you can load up a ton of weight. So even if you're a bigger individual, you're gonna have no problem getting a great workout. That could be arm curls, that could be lat pull down, whatever you're into, the option is there thanks to this cool pulley system. Folks, next I want to show you this really cool attachment right here. Now first and foremost, it's padded on one side and then it's a step on the other. Now I love to use it for my pull downs. This is really cool. This allows me to get a full pull down exercise here, but with a quick rotation, we can go ahead, lower this, and we can do rows as well just by lowering our cable system. Very cool. And then in addition, rotate it back. And it's a nice handy step that we can climb up on if we want to do higher exercise or get up for our pull-ups. So there's a 3-in-1 right here. I didn't think that I would have a rowing machine with this for heavy weights. I didn't realize what all I could do with this. When I first saw it, I was like, what is that? And now that I understand it, I absolutely love it. And folks, they've even given us plenty of space to rack our weights. We've got 3 bars on each side to rack our weights, which saves us space in our gym. I no longer have to have an ugly weight tree taking up space. We can rack everything on the side of our machine. All right, folks, so of course I'm a bench press guy, so being able to use this for a bench press is really, really nice. I like the fact that I can easily adjust the bench for incline, decline, or flat. And say I'm lifting too much weight and I can't get it up, I can lock it easily and I'm super safe. So that is a big advantage as well, as opposed to using my traditional bench that if I start to lose balance, I'm doomed. So that helps me a lot. And of course, you guys that like to do squats and anything like that, this is plenty tall for you bigger folks as well. So folks, I've heard people say that there's over 30, maybe 34 different workouts and setups that you can do with this. Honestly, there are unlimited different workouts you can get from this. With this one device, I can do everything I've ever needed to do. Now right here, we've got hooks to hang our rope for cable pull downs, of course. We've got this guy right here for workouts as well with the cables. We've got our bar so we can do either rows or workouts. I like this one for rows actually. And then we've got a leg strap and we've got the dual hand straps so you can literally get thousands of different types of workouts just using the cables alone. This is a limitless machine. The only limit is your own creativity and how you want to work out. And I know it's probably completely understated, but I really, really like this design for the pull-up bar. You can get that wide grip, this grip, you can do it towards you to hit your biceps. This is actually a very comfortable grip as well, but you can get pretty much any grip you want narrow, you can get any grip that you want, and they've just done a great job allowing you to do pull-ups which aren't for everybody, but holy cow, that's gonna develop your upper body quick. Honestly, I can probably only do 7 to 10 in a row right now. My highest was about 20. So now that I have this, I can get back into pull-up shape. And folks, of course, we don't have time to go through everything, but I am working with their 230-pound weight set. It's a grain textured surface for better grip and handling, so they aren't slipping out of your hands, particularly if you have wet hands. So that's going to be impressive as well. I'm also using their adjustable FID bench. It's got the leg roller, the 12+3 adjustable positions, and it's great for vertical storage. So you can store this upright. It is easy to move around as well because it does have wheels. And you can see you can adjust here as well as this guy right here. And you can adjust the back for incline, decline, and whatever your workout is of the day. But I also really do like the material because this is what wears out first. They've just done a high quality material that is the right width for my back, and this is a great design. And in this video we featured their gold 7-foot barbell. It's 20 kilograms, 45 pounds. It's durable with a knurled grip that pairs perfectly with the M4 2.0. A very good grip on it. It looks good, and this is going to accentuate and improve your workouts. All right, folks, and I do want to point out that this includes your J-round hooks for secure locks and longer re-racks. This gives you a better bar protection. It's a very dense protection that they have here, this protecting coat here. This is going to prevent knurling and wearing of the bar and damage as well. This gives you rack protection, a secure lock to make sure the locking mechanism isn't going anywhere no matter how much weight you throw on it. The longer re-rack zone means a well-rounded sweet spot for re-racking the bar, which means that you don't have to precisely and perfectly re-rack it every single time. You've got a great design there. This is safe under heavy loads, and it's smoother with the sandwich surface to help it re-rack and guide the bar more naturally. Just a great design there, and it makes this whole thing easy and convenient. And folks, for any of you weight room junkies out there, we do have their fractional weight set. This is really cool. We've got half pounds, 1 pounders, 0.25s, and 0.75s. So they've done everything we need to get those fractional increases that you're gonna need as a workout guru. And of course, the front and rear landmine ports. This makes it very easy to adjust what you need to adjust, even in limited spacing. So they've just done a great job here from top to bottom. And folks, I absolutely love that they've added a storage bar in the back of the device to where you can go ahead and store your additional accessories and things. Easy peasy. You've got plenty of room for additional equipment. And of course, folks, there's a lot of different ways to use this, but the knurling grip makes a world of difference for extra safety. And we have a lot of different workouts and angles that we can work this at. For me, it's all about doing shoulders. And folks, I'm sure you're getting tired of me showing you every possible workout with this zero drag system, but you can truly isolate different muscles in 1,000 different ways, and that's what sets this apart from the competition. All right, folks, so sometimes I get frustrated because companies want me to show everything a device can do. It's absolutely impossible with a device like this, because as you know, there are literally thousands of things that you can do with this fantastic device. But what I really do love about it is how compact this is. This gets rid of my flat bench. This gets rid of my preacher curl bench. This gets rid of my squat machine, and this gets rid of my rowing machine. So we get a lot of workouts very easily and conveniently, and it takes up a fairly small footprint. It's easy to set up, it's affordable, and it's not breaking the bank. Now, they provide you with a whole bunch of videos on how to do different workouts. That makes me happy as well, because there's always something for you to learn, and there's always something for me to learn. So with that being said, thank you so much for joining us. It's time to go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. I'm a little winded, I'm a little sweaty, but I'm happy to have this new device from a great company. And I gotta tell you, that's the final piece of the puzzle. Don't get this from some company that's going to send you cheap gym equipment that's gonna fall off the face of the earth. You're gonna wind up getting injured on. These guys are giving you real steel to improve your appeal. Thanks for watching. I'm Adam. Adios, amigos. Oh yeah.